Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is over Iaido Warm-Up Kata number 1. Now I will be using an Iaido to demonstrate this during this video tutorial, but you can certainly do this just fine with a wooden practice sword, boken or bokuto. Now this is a walking kata. We're going to start by taking 3 steps forward. Right foot, left foot, right foot. And then on that 3rd step, I'm drawing into a horizontal cut. Now my left foot steps up to my right as I pass the sword back over my left shoulder, and I have the mene, the blunt back of the sword, turned in toward the side of my neck. Then I'm bringing it up over my head, getting my 2-handed grip, stepping forward, and doing an overhead cut. Then I'm coming back up to Chudan no Kamae. My left hand shifts back to my saya, chiburi, and then noto, the re-scabbarding. And then we move right back to where we started, 3 steps back. All right, again, warm-up kata number 1. 1, 2, 3. Horizontal cut, over my shoulder, up, overhead cut, chiburi, and noto. And then right back to where we started. Now let's have a look at that one more time from the front. Okay. 1, 2, 3. With my horizontal cut here, I want the point, the kisaki, to finish about on my own center line here. I want to be careful that it's not swinging out and away this way. And I want to keep my elbow slightly bent. I want to be sure I'm not overextending the arm. And again, I step up, over my shoulder, up over my head, cutting down and through, overhead cut, chiburi, and noto. And then I move back to where I started. Now let's have a look at that from the side. Again, we're going to take 3 steps forward. Right, left, right. Horizontal cut. Over my shoulder, over my head. Overhead cut. Now with this, I want to be careful that I'm not taking this further down than I have to. I don't want to drive the sword all the way down toward the floor. There's nothing down here that I'm going to be cutting. Coming back up to Chudan no Kamae. Chiburi. Noto. And then right back to where I started. All right, let's have one more look at that from the side. Right, left, right, horizontal cut, over my shoulder, up over my head, overhead cut, chiburi, and noto. Iaido Warm-Up Kata number 1. Take it slowly at first, and then you can gradually start to build up your speed as you become more comfortable with the skills. But what you want here are nice controlled movements of the sword, that you're not wildly swinging it about, and that everything is nice, smooth, and fluid. One skill flows naturally into the next. Thank you very much for joining me.